Tonight, when you want to see me, when you want to see me. See. Good evening. Better, para. You go. Missed the hits of the 80s. Good evening, guys. Andrew, are you ready for some of Decentraland? Let's go, Christy, Virus, Scotty. Bah. Mana, 3-2-1 crash? No. Mono, good evening. Good evening, Musty. Making the gains. Look at him being so happy. What gains, Musty? What gains? No. Let's go, soldiers. We're soldiers. Nah. We played Jenny for you. Jenny? Oh, in the music channel? Let's go, Jenny. Alrighty, that's enough music. It's just a vibe. Like when you listen to like Afro beats, guys, it's just a vibe. Afro beats. It's just the Afro beat vibe. Okay, let me get some rubbish music for you guys. Some rubbish music for you guys since we can vibe to the same. So you guys have to listen to rubbish like this, like elevator music. So I don't know if I can find something better here. Because this is rubbish. Hello, good evening, all. Jenny cancels Decentraland? Maybe, right? I don't think so though, because I don't want to pull up the shot. Because once I do, Andrew's gonna say this is all because of Andrew. This is not because of anything. That's mana. It's $2.90. Mana was above $3, guys. Hopefully we can see mana break above $3 again tonight, right? Hopefully that'd be cool. Afrobeats deadly? Yeah, they are, right? Play the Titanic theme song when you crush the mana. Yeah, this is it. That's it. Can I buy the crypto bot code? Risky? Oh, you mean the code? Can you? Oh, I'm sorry, Risky. I just completely forgot to ask. I will. I'll ask. I just completely forgot. Good evening, Corey. Good evening, Sydney. Let's go, Doug. Good evening, all. What's up? Here for a boom boom. I'm here for a boom boom, guys. Hopefully, we get to look at that, man. Come on, give us some boom booms. Bitcoin, give us some boom booms, guys. We're gonna go over these time frames in a bit here. Good Bitcoin, guys. How cool would it be if we Monday came around, and we were sitting at $50,000, $45,000, 43. Very cool, right? So hopefully we don't break back below 40K this weekend. That would be a huge success, right? Just holding about $40,000 for the weekend. I'm happy with that, right? You guys happy with that? Let's go. Much love. Yeah, Risky. I'll try and get that stuff for you going. Right. I'll try. I'll ask. I just have to, just so much going on. Amber, let's go. Come on. Uh, Close to 42. 42. Yeah. All right. So what did we hit, guys? For Bitcoin here. So we hit 4197. Right. So 70. So really close. $30 away. Yeah. That's really good. Right. So here goes Mana. Andrew, you can't say anything now. You can't say anything about how's it going? Wayne, good. How are you? What are we chasing tonight? We're not chasing anything. Or just watching crypto. Crypto's the one play where you buy the dips and stuff you believe in, and then you just let it go, run, and you'll sit back and say, "Wow, ooh, ah." All right. Uh, when I go out and eat, tell the chef the food tastes like rubbish. Dude, Andrew, unbelievable. I can't believe you said that. The food, hey queen, hey. Going to all-time highs. I don't know if that thing's working, Musty. Might need to check it up. Might need to check. You know what I got? Um, some I've never had them, never ever ever, like never. Maybe yes, maybe no. Just don't get torched. Let's go, 8 ball. Um, some um, some ramen, guys. I've never had ramen. Never, ever, never, ever. So I'm excited to try it. Excited to try it. So we'll see, right? It's ignoring you. Yeah, it is. Right. So we'll see how. We'll see how it tastes. Right. Exciting. 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 Dun, dun, dun. John. Yeah, $3,000. Yeah. Yeah. You're going to love it, really? Yeah. Wow. Okay. Like I've never had it. Yeah. I don't know why. Just yeah. Let the market keep crushing you. Have ramen every night like we do. Don't get too excited. Uh, Hopefully it's a good one. I'm excited. I'm excited. I just want to see. I want to, just liquid. Unbelievable. Who's holding SafeMoon here? Peter is. There you go. What's up? What's up, Juba? Hey yo, Jam. Hey yo. Putting these hours. Everything good with you? Let's go, Corey. It's not ramen. It's in the back, is it? It is. It's ramen. It's ramen, guys. It's ramen. You need a authentic. Have you ever? I I've never liquid, never. Um, So I'm excited to try it. Crypto's good, yeah. No, crypto's really good, right? So I'm having a good night. We have a few things to cover, right? Just a bunch of rubbish, random rubbish, right? So from like the Super Bowl stuff, right? So this year, when you go to the Super Bowl, anyone going to the Super Bowl, when you go to the Super Bowl, you get an NFT, guys, right? So that's cool. So from stuff like that to just regulations to just stuff, stuff, right? So yeah. What's up, Robert? Yo, you can't afford ramen? Ramen. UFO gaming. What's that? Oh yeah, come on. We want to see $3 tonight. Want to see $3 tonight, guys, for mana. Want to see that thing break about $3, hold about $3 of Bitcoin. If you could help us out a little bit, that'd be cool. Would be super super cool, right? So yeah. And I can take a look at the. I'm gonna run through the rest of the list, guys, from Doge to Shiba to whatnot, right? So Matic has done well, right? It's back to 170. You know what's funny? Like 170 is a level that when Bitcoin ran the first time to 39,000, Matic was at 170. It's always amazing to see these things. Like sometimes they're ready to go, but Bitcoin isn't ready. When Bitcoin is ready to go, they're not ready, right? So Matic was 170. Bitcoin was 39,000. Bitcoin is now 40, almost 42. Matic is still 170, right? So Crow 43 cents. Doge just below 15 cents, which is good, right? So Gala's had a nice run here too, right? So for the first time, right, up nicely. Mana, of course, has done well. Sandbox XRP has done a little bit as well, right? So I think so. Mindy posted some dates in terms of like the XRP lawsuit schedule, right? So February seems to be an important month for XRP, right? And the next few months here, right? So hopefully that rubbish is over soon, so we can maybe make some gains with that, right? What else? What else? So Shiba, right? In terms of like news, there's nothing. Nothing new for Shiba, guys, right? So that Shiba was sitting at 22.6 here, right? When you take a look at the daily chart again, we talked about how this thing was ready to move. All of these names seem, all the charts seem very, you know, all the same, ready to go, right? Just waiting for, come on, Matic, come on, Matic. Luna pumping to 55. Yeah, Luna is, Luna was on the list here somewhere. Yeah, Luna has done well, right? You know what looks, you know what looks good, guys. Look at the crypto bubbles. Look at that. It's a sea of green. Boo Shiba, boo boo boo. Yeah, I know, Andrew. It's yeah, step by step, Andrew. Right. So look at that. Yes, you know. Look at that. That's look at that. Gala 16%. Leo, Avax, FTM, Cake. Sand is off 14%. Wow. Saitama is off 15. Cool. Doge 7. Luna 9.5%. ETH 11.6%. Sheep 9.2%. XRP almost 10%. There Bitcoin almost 11%. Right? Look at that. Look at that. Just waking up from hibernation, getting ready to right. I hope so, Queen. Hopefully this is not just. I'm very excited. Uh, I don't know. I don't know. Anyways, again, yeah, because we look good, guys. We look good. Look at that, right? We look good. Do you own a gold chain? You should wear bling. I should wear some bling bling, Kobe. Not really. I don't like to. Don't like. I don't like. I don't like the shiny. I don't know. Don't like to. The gold bling bling, the necklace. No, Kobe. When I like, like I just don't like to. You know, we stream, we have fun on here. But like when I go outside, if I do go outside, I don't like to stand out. So, oh, I just don't like. I don't know. That's just not me, right? So there you go. Oh, la la la. Happy? Yeah, right? So we look good, guys. Look at Bitcoin, right? It's actually, no, that's Shiba. Shiba going for a nice little stroll up to Andrew's house to say, suck it. I'm going back to 30, going back to 50, going back to either zero. Uh, so again, Bitcoin trying to go for a nice little move there. It's done really well today, honestly, like really, really well. So as much as you see a little bit of red here, just because of the reset, right? Daily candle reset. That's the only reason you see the red there. But 24 hours, right? Those crypto bubbles, that's what you want to look at, right? There you go. With a hot trade penning following. Oh, hot trades. Hot trades. Again, so let's take a look at this article here, right? Look at that, guys. So this year, right? So the Super Bowl, right? Anybody going? I know those Super Bowl tickets are what? What are they? $4,000. $4,000 for Super Bowl tickets. Hey yo, Travis. $4,000, and apparently that's the norm. I had no idea. Like I had no idea you know, you pay $4,000 to go to the Super Bowl. I had no idea. Anyway, so is anyone going to the Super Bowl this year or know anyone that is? Look at that. Come on, man. What are we at? Okay, no. We're not there yet, Andrew. Don't get too excited. Trying. Cheaper than NFT? The Super Bowl is cheaper than the NFT? No, I don't think I have any NFTs that are $4,000. Right? So hasn't been since I bought it. Shib is my fault. Yes, Andrew, it's your fault. Um, I've rather Noah bubbles. Honestly, nope. Virus. Ooh, what's Mana doing? Okay, cool. Never mind. Um, no one's going to the Super Bowl. Well, anyways, if you're going to the Super Bowl this year or know anyone else that is, right, you get, right. So this year's Super Bowl attendees, to get commemorative NFT tickets from the NFL guys, from Ticketmaster or whatever, right? So you get some NFTs. How cool is that, right? So the NFL has announced the American Football Organization, fans a Super Bowl ticket, fans virtual tickets in the form of non-fungible tokens for the upcoming Super Bowl in Los Angeles, right? The NFL has partnered with Ticketmaster to issue the commemorative NFL tickets, allowing fans to hold keepsake from their Super Bowl experience. That's cool, right? Super cool. Um, you're not quoting Travis. Travis says nope. Plans to give Super Bowl. La la la. I just want to see if there's anything that's in here. There's a lot of crypto commercials set for the is what I've heard calling. Yeah, exactly right, Kobe. Yeah, there are a lot of them. The Edmonton Elks would beat either of the teams. Yeah, the Edmonton Elks would be the bench. There'd be like the people behind the bench, and then you keep going. Yeah, outside the stadium is where they belong. Just kidding. So on February 2nd, the NFL, blah blah blah. The Super Bowl. La 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 la. The goal is to leverage blockchain technology so fans can okay, cool. So they can celebrate. Okay, cool. The Super Bowl will take place on February 13th, right? That's cool. What do they get though? What does the NFT look like? That's what I want to know. It's what I want to know. Well, I can't say my second guess. Uh, to work, haven't tried in a while. Scotty, yeah, they did. They eventually did, but I thought it broke down after it started working or something. Says that with the help of Ticketmaster, every fan who attends the championship game will get limited edition Super Bowl NFT. Right, according to the press announcement, the NFTs will feature customization such as owner's unique section, role, and seats. Very cool, guys. Huh. Very cool. La, la, la. So that's a quote there from the NFL, right? So collecting ticket subs has always been la 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 la. Very cool. To be sold, final NFTs to now, winning team released. There's a lot to that, right? So yeah, very cool. Maybe that'll be a selling point for. I'm looking forward to the halftime show with like all the commercials. Imagine what Crow is gonna do. Like maybe I don't know, right? Super Bowl halftime show, Crow, with the ad, right, and all the other things. That's gonna be good, cool, right? So I think Crow is another one of these articles here that we have up. I think this one maybe, right? So cancel. So Binance and Crypto.com leverage Super Bowl cryptocurrency endorsement. Okay, cool. The largest trend in crypto right now has nothing to do with Bitcoin or even Bored Apes. It is cryptocurrency exchanges that are accumulating sports deals and athlete endorsements. This is expected to reach cool. Secured. So Crypto.com and FTX have secured celebrity sponsors and paid millions of dollars for commercial spaces throughout the game. Look at that, guys, right? So that's just what you guys were talking about, right? Again, the spending all the monies, right? Halftime show might be a what, Andrew? What? What's having big names attached to cryptocurrency seems to be an effective strategy for success in the world of decentralized finance. Binance, on the other hand, is sitting this one out. Here's some of the sports. Has expressed online about this, suggesting the individual should take responsibility and do their own research. Okay, cool. Yeah, seems like Binance is saying, "What are you guys doing? What are you guys doing? What are you guys doing?" Snoop is gonna be smoking. Is that what Snoop always does? So Bitcoin, come on, you can do it. You can do it, man. Don't be shy. Don't be scared of Andrew and all his rubbish. Don't be scared, please. 100% yet today. That's impressive, right? That's impressive. In the last year, right? So year to date, it's down 10%, right? In the last 6 months, it's up 290%. But yeah, so there you go. I want Snoop to adopt the Simpsons voice. um, let me see here. So la 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 la. The Super Bowl drew around 100 million viewers in the United States in 2021, despite the fact that it was la 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 low year owing to COVID. Blah blah blah. I just couldn't see what was at the very end of the article there. Significant success. Nah, cool, cool, cool. Okay, there you go. So this ad is just basically talking about all the potential endorsements, all the ads that you're going to see during the Super Bowl there, which is cool, right? Which is cool, and this was celebrity stuff, right? So a lot of celebrity stuff here, which is which is really interesting, right? Which is really interesting. So the celebs gone crypto, guys. These are Andrew's neighbors, you know. Look at that. All of them. Bitcoin this, Bitcoin that, NFT this, NFT that. I mean, a lot of them get paid for this stuff, right? So, uh, better life through items sold by a luxury wellness brand is now promoting artwork of of a blinking cartoon ape. Matt Damon pops up during commercial breaks to compare the act of investing in cryptocurrency to scaling Mount Everest or exploring space. Cool. So I bet you they're talking about those apes, right? I bet you this is I bet you that's what they're talking about. In the near future, every person will have a parallel digital identity. Okay, cool. Who's that from? Witherspoon? Who's Witherspoon? Witherspoon? Uh, uh, Celebrities have taken to pushing cryptocurrencies and non-fungible tokens at a speed once reserved for viral dance trends. The artists among them insist. Okay, cool, 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 cool. The NFTs could transform a very concept of art. Key exist. Okay, cool. Celebrities are also little to lose. Oh yeah, there you go. Right. So of course, wealthier celebrities have little to lose, as the dollar sign appeal of these endorsements is the same as any other. Right. So the price of Bitcoin is surely a small fraction of what Damon took home to place a crypto investor. La, 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 la. Some of these things again. So some of these things are overly detailed and long. So nah, 2008. Yeah, they talk about like Bitcoin back in 2008, right? So yeah, again, yeah. So yeah, seem intriguing. Cool, cool, cool. I bet you that's the ad, right? That's the crypto.com ad there that they're talking about, right? So we're not gonna play that. Then offer 10 billion for a 20-second commercial spot to trash Doge. I don't know, Andrew. I don't know why. Yeah, I think I've seen this ad once, right? So skill. So Matt Damon compares investing in Bitcoin, not Bitcoin, crypto in general, right, to scaling Everest. You know, when you invest in Bitcoin, it's like when you invest in crypto, it's like you know, SNL 2.0. Yeah, I don't know. We'll see. Honestly, we'll see. It's cool. There's a lot to this article, right? There's a lot here. So, ooh, who's that? Who's that person, guys? I have no idea who this is. They seem to be a celebrity, right? They said, look at that, Andrew, you'd be proud, very proud, right? So whoever this person is, guys, I don't know who they are. Joined board, ready to reveal. Thanks, Moonpace. There you go. So that's their. Yeah, I don't know how much they pay for that, but I bet you it's a lot. Bet you it's a lot. Hmm. Wonder if it shows us the price. She's famous. You can read the whole thing. Nah, not interested. There's a lot of rubbish in these articles. Like they're really good reads. But yeah, nah. La 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 la. Okay, cool. Just wanted to see if there was a price of that NFT there. Doesn't seem like it. Actress? Okay, she's an actress. Okay. No idea. Had no idea. No, not sure who that is. La, la, la. Anyways, what else can we take a look at here? Yeah, we can come back to this later, guys. The good old XRP stuff, right? So SSC versus Ripple, right? So I know quite a few of you guys are holding this, right? So again, George Torres on COS3 documents. Here's what it means, right? So there's some dates here, guys, right? So in terms of like filings, right? You take a look at some of these dates here. So for XRP here, right? So the case again, so still going on, right? So these are just some key dates that you need to pay attention to if you're holding, right? So for example, February the 17th, deadline for the SEC to file any motion for reconsideration of a magistrate judge Ned Burns, la la la. Oh, that lady. Oh, cool. I had no idea what her name was, Christy. Thank you. Oh, okay. Huh. um, very cool. Um, Iron Man's wife. Thank you, Christy. Thank you. Cool. Iron Man. Let's see here. So, what's this? Federal Reserve Bank of Boston and MIT release central bank currency research and open source code. Cool. Boston Federal Law published initial findings of their CBDC research. Okay, cool. Findings of conducted in the Federal Reserve. La la la. Technology so creating scalable. Learn more about these technologies and the choices considered. Okay, cool. All right, so just seems like they're just doing some. Hi, Jasmine. Hey, yo. Seems like they're just doing some. And Chris Martin's ex-wife. Yeah, I have no idea who Chris Martin is. His classic music. Yeah, this is a nice transition from from stream. The goop stuff. Um, yeah, so that's a. Wow, there's a lot of that music. Let's see here. The goop stuff. What's crypto doing here? Not a whole lot, right? So seems like we always miss the pump. Like we always miss the pump, guys. It happens when the market closes, right? People take a quick break and then crypto pumps, right? And then people go to bed. Seems like I don't know, or they go to party, right? By the time we come, it's the pump is gone. Unbelievable. I mean, we've got a few of them, but it's usually super slow here. Guys, you guys and then it pumps again at midnight, right? So with who is the deepest deep Judah, the deep, the deepest, the deep. Oh, Coldplay lead singer. Okay, sounds good. Thank you, Andrew. The mother of Apple Martin. Okay, sounds good. Um, but you know how you can put faces to you can say okay, Coldplay. I know who those guys are, right? But I just never know their names, right? So just never know their names. Uh, yeah, but so anyways, so again, that's an interesting article there. So and then of course we talked about so again so on the 17th, right? So that's the deadline for again so deadline for the SEC to file any motion, right, of reconsideration of magistrate Judge Ned Burns process privilege opinion order. Okay, cool, right? So and then on the 25th, so deadline for defendants to respond to the okay, cool, right? And then the 28th here deadline for completion of export discovery. Okay, cool. Right, so that's February the 28th for Ripple, right? So the Ripple again, you guys can't even see that yet. So again, Ripple versus SEC versus Ripple, right? So there's a lot to list, right? So but it seems like there were a number of outstanding right? So seems like February is a really important month for the for Ripple, right? XRP. So hopefully something comes out of that, and yeah. I think we've covered most of these articles, guys. Again, so the Super Bowl, right? So NFTs and the Super Bowl. Um, that's cool, right? So, and what else? What else do we have here? Hello, Stuart. Hey, yo. Where do you think the market will go tomorrow? Up or down? I hope up. Deep is gone. I hope up. Hopefully. There you go. To the moon. To the moon is what's gonna happen tomorrow, Judah. To the moon. 6 degrees of. What's that? What's that rubbish now? Uh, is this a boat trap or is it a pump and dump altcoin season? Is it pump, pump, pump? Or is it pumps, Justin? Again, it's you can't really tell, right? You can't really tell, not quite yet, right? So you can't tell by simple pump above $40,000, right? So if we can break above $40,000 and get a little bit of consolidation here, right? If we just chill above 40K, right? And then all of a sudden it seems like we're about to go again, that's confirmation, right? So uh, not hope, technical perspective, again, it's way too early to tell, right? So we break above again. You can almost tell, right? You take a look at Bitcoin chart. We talked about this on the last stream. Whenever the last crypto stream was, we talked about how. From a technical point of view, right? When you take a look at these names, right? Shiba seems like we sold off hard, right? What is it doing now? It's holding flat. It's curling up slowly, right? So seems like it's about to go. Take a look at Bitcoin, right? Bitcoin is sold off hard, right? It seems to be holding. Seems like it's ready to go. Again, these metaverse plays are completely different because these things are all over the place, right? No consolidation here at all, right? Take a look at Crow. Take a look at XRP. Take a look at all the names, ETH, right? All the same, right? Again, huge pumps, right? Huge dumps, right? So maybe let's take a look at a few of these charts, guys. So let's take a look at Bitcoin here. Pull up the daily chart, right? um, Pull up the daily chart. What does that look like, right? So take a look at this, right? We sold off hard, right? But then you can see here, right, that there's something going on here, right? A little bit of, again, so you can see that we're holding, trying to trend higher here a little bit, right? So again, that's BTC there. Let's take a look at cheap here, right? Or we can take a look at let's take a look at Dogecoin here, for example, right? Does that look similar? Yeah, absolutely, right. So when you sell off like this, right, and all of a sudden, right, you can see that, yeah, these candles are smaller. We're just going sideways now. That's a signal, right, that we're waiting for something else. We're waiting for, the next phase, right? So, well, again, selling pressure died down, right? It's curling up slowly. We're sitting above that moving average. We're ready to move higher, right? So Shiba, same thing, yeah, same thing, right? All these charts are the same, right? Again, huge sell offs, right? Once you start going sideways here, that's a signal of potentially finding a bottom, right? Again, it's never a guarantee, but when you sell off like that and you start going sideways, it's a signal that you might be finding a bottom, right? So for now, in terms of like to say that Bitcoin, to say that all these names, to say we're gonna pump from here again, it's way too early to tell, right? So let's get again. So let me pull up Bitcoin here one more time. The daily. Make sure this is visible, right? So that's a huge pump candle, right? That's a huge pump candle. So now if we can consolidate a little bit, right? So if we can consolidate a little bit, whether that's selling off a little, selling up to $40,000 again, back to 41,000, right? And finding support and pushing again for these highs, right? That would be the confirmation we need to say, okay, cool. Well, maybe we found the bottom and we're ready to push. Right, so to call this on one candle above $40,000 is way too soon, way too soon, right? So, do that. So, be patient, right? Give it a day, give it something, right? Um, it took about a week. It took about a week to confirm that, yeah, Bitcoin had found the bottom around 430 something thousand, right? It took about a week. Hey Beth, hey yo, right? Took some time to confirm that. So again, we can keep pumping and that's cool, right? But yeah, so give it some time. Uh, it's a bumpy road towards a moon. Hopefully, would feel a lot more bullish after, exactly right, Stuart. So yeah, so it's a would feel a lot more bullish about 43,000, and that's so true, right? So because a lot of these names are just waiting, right? You take a look at Shiba, right? Shiba isn't right, Shiba is up 7%, but that's nothing yet. Dogecoin, a lot of these names are just waiting, right? So once you break above the 42s, the 43s, the 45s, a lot of these coins feel comfortable and they can start running on their own, right? So for now, they're waiting for confirmation, right? So waiting. Same Bitcoin, is this the pump and dump, or are we ready to throw all this money back in, right? So people would rather FOMO, right? That's why when you see when crypto starts running, it really runs, right? So because people just wait. and wait for confirmation, right? Before going through the moon, through the clouds. Yo, Beth. Right? So through the clouds. Don't forget to smash the like, guys. Hit that like, hit the subscribe. Give it a week. My father on side, you're gonna give it a week. I mean, you don't have to give it a week, right? So again, let's push, right? So let's see where this daily candle closes at, right? See where we are after the weekend is over, right? Are we still holding? Are we still holding? Are we still holding, right? Or are we just pumping one day? The next day we're back down below $40,000. That's the question, right? So again, you don't have to wait a week. Right, just wait. Just again, see what the close of this candle looks like. Let me see what the 50 MA is like on this thing here. So you take a look at this as well, right? So at $60,000 is where we struggled with that 50. So what I'm looking at is this green line here, right? So that 50,000, 59, $60,000 level, right, is where that 50-day moving average was sitting at. So every time we've pumped, we've failed. Right, so every time after that, right, look how much we struggled at that 50-day moving average. Right, struggle bus and sold off. Right, we tried to pump again. Guess what? That again. So that green line right there, right, 50 MA, right, sold off again. Cool, right? So here we are, right, sitting around that level. What's that level at? Around $43,000, right? So if we can break above levels like that, well, then that's a good sign, right? Because that would be the first time that we actually broke above that moving average in like 2 months, right? So is it 2 months? Yeah, something like that, right? So which would be signs of confirmation, right? Confirmation is all you're looking for, right? All you're looking for. Screw you, 8 ball. Screw you, 8 ball. Is let me see if I can fix that stuff. I don't know why it's not working there. Not sure why. Continue. Need to quickly log in. Trade. Yeah, not sure why it's not working. La la. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Cloudbot. There you go. See if it's working now. Taco Bell time, Ja. Taco Bell. Are we in a new? Yeah, Beth. Remember, Beth? You remember this? The new phase of the moon, the new moon starting in February, guys. You guys remember we talked about this a little bit? We just had fun with it, right? So not a whole lot of emphasis on it, right? But crypto pumping into the new moon, right? I think Beth is the one that kept mentioning Google Maps. Okay, cool. Right. So I think she kept saying February, new moon, right? So yeah. Because of the thing we looked at 2 weeks ago, right? So there's 8 ball. I'm multitasking. Look at this. BTC going to a new all-time high. 8 ball is like I'm multitasking, guys. I can listen, ignore, and forget at the same time. Musty. Listen, ignore, and forgets. Yep, it's ignoring you. It's agreed. So again, Bitcoin looks fine, right? So we're pushing a little bit here now. Let's go back to smaller time frame, guys. Again, so once we start pushing about the 42s and the 43s, right, Jude? Right. Then these things will start to get some of these other smaller coins, right, really start to move after that, right? So 420, 420. Come on, 6,500. Okay, cool. Just quickly adjusting some stuff there, guys. Look at Mana go. Mana, come on. Give us $3 tonight. Tonight. Please and thank you. No, wow. We were. Do you think we were born yesterday? Wow. Not saying I hate you, but if your face was on fire, and I had a glass of water. I drink it. Wow. Look at the 8 ball, guys. Queen. What have you guys done? This thing hates you guys. Uh, wow. I had a glass of water and your face was on fire. I drink it. Wow. I mean, I don't know how. That's pretty ruthless. Wow. 41.5. Very nice. We're gonna wake up tomorrow to Bitcoin at $43,000. Queen, that's with this. There you go. Let's see here. Anything else we haven't looked at yet? Demon, SEC, ruling. The three documents revealed. Okay, cool. I'm just quickly browsing to release of docs files for okay. Public disclosure, report see documents. No, same applies to the SEC. Okay, cool. Yeah. Quotes for exports here. Yeah. Be kind, please. Be kind. Hey, Debbie. Hey, yo. Um, can we look at SafeMoon to find what this? What are we looking? What are we finding there? If you have questions about SafeMoon, just ask Travis. Travis has all the questions. Travis is now on the SafeMoon team, guys. On the SafeMoon team. Where's Travis? Are you still here, Travis? Right. So if you have any questions about SafeMoon, just ask, and Travis will be at your service with all the answers you need. SafeMoon. Is SafeMoon fine? I know. So I know SafeMoon was upgraded to, uh, and it seems I found a bottom and bouncing off right now. Is SafeMoon even available on here? I'm just gonna search SafeMoon. Is it? No, it's not on here. I'd have to look at something else, right? So, no, because I know they're doing some type of updates, so they can be available on TradingView or something, so stuff like that. So you wanted some confirmation? Okay, Simon is the next squeeze. It's the next squeeze, guys. Does SafeMoon still exist, Queen? What do you? Yes, it does. What SafeMoon is gonna be the next community runner. Major rejection. The monthly R1, Anthony. Bitcoin hasn't been there yet, right? So 46. I mean, major rejection. Mm, let's get there first, right? So I like to get there and then reject. No, shoot. Let's Bitcoin shoot your shots, right? If you get rejected, then that's a different story. But at least shoot your shot first. Um, yeah, it was updated to same in V2. Yeah, right, Musty. Yeah, what do you buy if you yeah. So that update cost some people their coins. If they weren't paying attention, right? So if you didn't transfer your stuff, right, you lost what like certain amount of your Bitcoin. No, safe not moon. It was a coin. Oh yeah, safe not moon. Yeah, safe not moon is a coin. That's an actual thing. Safe not moon. You can still convert them. But again, so apparently Peter lost. Yeah, they lost coins. Yeah, so again, if you didn't update to so from v1 to v2, if you didn't update to v2, there was yeah, you lost about what, like 80% of them, right? 80% of your coins. And now you can go ahead and convert the remaining 20%, I guess. Here you go. Through the website, Musty. Okay. I don't know, right? Just yeah. What do I think about XRP? It's funny because on the other screen here, I was just looking at the XRP stuff, right? So I'm just reading through a few of these things here, right? So again, there's nothing new here. Honestly, there's nothing new. The Mrs. Lewis, Ryan. There's nothing new here with right. So other than the dates, you know what's oh, it's gone. No, it's not gone actually. Look at that, guys. Is Andrew here? Look at that. Sponsored by 1inch. Look at that, 1inch, guys. Sponsor. Anyways, so now this is just the judge asking for some more information. I have SafeMoon still lots. Still lots. Lola. Okay, cool. Now again, so we've talked a little bit about these dates, right? For now, you wait. Yeah, if you believe in it, you buy the dip and you wait, right? And hope that they can prevail, and you can make some solid gains on XRP, right? So, yeah. Do I like XRP? I think, yeah, right. So, do I think there's an element of risk to it? Yeah, absolutely, right. So, again, the technology stuff is good, right? But that's not the story, right? So, Gala's doing really good. Yeah, it is actually, right. So, Gala's done really well. Um, for that thing was what is it up now? 22. Wow, actually, right. So 11%. Gala's one of the top performing things here now, right? So from 18 to 22 cents there, really nice, 10% move, right? So Gala looks really good. right? Matic is looking good here as well. Shiba again, still just chilling. Doge, um, right? So, um, yeah, cool, cool. I just you just 5x your XRP investment. Okay, I know that a lot of people actually like just following, just buying a lot of XRP. So again, I hope something can come out of that soon, right? So it's just been way too long, Lola. Just been way too long, right? So it's been dragging. There's few more months. There's another month, another this, right? So yeah, hopefully we can get rid of that case soon. Um, and if we do, XRP is gonna pump, right? So I know most of you guys can't even buy XRP, right? Unless you can use an exchange, whatever. But I know again it's banned in the states for most of these exchanges, right? Binance, Crypto.com. You'd have to go through a different source, right? So um, not in Canada, guys. XRP is available in Canada. There you go. It's gonna skyrocket soon. I hope so, right? I hope we go to. I lost in a wallet from summertime. You lost it. You lost XRP from a wallet before I knew about exchanges. Wow. Yeah. Again, so a lot of people calling for. So what people are really looking at when it comes to XRP is they're taking a look at Swift. So Swift is another project that does something very that does what XRP does, right? So they're looking at Swift and saying, okay, $12,000 for that, right? Okay, XRP, cool. Cool, right? Can we get to when $12,000, when $10,000, when $5,000, when $1,000, right? That's what a lot of people are looking at. But again, so see what comes of this case, right? So hopefully it's out of the window soon, in a way, so we can we can celebrate XRP, right? So we can celebrate some gains. That's what we can celebrate. Go Canada. Go Canada, my home away from home. Let's go, Ryan. Your home away from home. Canada is Canada. La la la. Let me see if there's anything else I want to take a look at here from Discord. Let's see. Ooh, cool. Hopefully, crypto news, guys, is what I'm taking a look at here. So, the Super Bowl now called Crypto Bowl. Oh, the Crypto Bowl because of all the so yeah, interesting. Delays decision on Grayscale Bitcoin ETF. Cool. Crypto news. Uh, 130 million, 103 million Bitcoin shorts have been liquidated. Let's go. Come on, guys. What I'm looking at is just some rubbish over here, right? So this stuff here. Don't mind. Look at that, right? So I just in, right? 103 million, right? Bitcoin shorts have been liquidated, guys. Bye shorts. Hopefully you can go find some different shorts. There you go. Maxi says, anyone holding mana? Yeah, quite a few people. Maxi, quite a few people holding mana. Um, Major tough. Let me see here. Alrighty, so let me take a look at Discord here. I'm just quickly scanning through Discord, guys, just to see what's new in terms of news. Texas Senator Ted Cruz has invested in Bitcoin. Wow, cool. Senator, right? Ted Cruz has invested into Bitcoin. Cool. Uh, so Mexico's third richest man says the number one application of Bitcoin is that it's unseizable. Okay, cool. Confirms his holding. Oh no, guys! Oh no! Speaking of SafeMoon, let's go. Let's go, crypto. Come on, crypto. Let's go. What are we doing here now? Let's pump. Right. Um, Speaking of SafeMoon, guys, look at this. Your average is 290 for for mana. Okay, nice. Um, Very nice. I mean, you're almost yeah. You're back to green, right? So back to green. Look at this, guys. UFC legend, Chuck Liddell confirms he's holding a bag. Is that a good bag or is that a bad? Is what is what is Safe Moon ranked? Um, a bag, usually a bag is not a good thing, right? So UFC legend holding a SafeMoon bag, just like what's that guy's name? The pizza guy. Can't remember his name now. I don't know. Um, Holding a SafeMoon bag, guys. Uh, that's what you get for wanting to go to the moon. Um, no, again, so Maxi, no, the Mana's done really well, like really, really well. At 290, okay, you have 420 28 mana at 290. That's not a bad average at all, right, for long-term play. So I know a few people in Discord have been buying the dips from like two, what was it, to a dollar 80, right, to a dollar 80, a dollar 90, $2, right? So a dot 250, right? So 250, and right, so we've been talking quite a bit about mana in the last few weeks, right? So in the metaverse in general, right? So yeah, Anthony, Dogecoin forecast. Dogecoin needs to get back over that 16 cent level, right? 16 cents. Okay, it's okay. Oh, that's okay. Backholders United. Backholders United, guys. No, we talked quite a bit. So yeah, we love mana, Christy. Absolutely, right? So, man, what do we want, Christy, for mana? We want, let's say, we want $1,000 in 10 years. $1,000. Um, I don't know. It's um, no, just throwing numbers out there, guys. I think so. I just wanted to get back about $3, right? I feel like I'd be a lot more like comfortable, just relax. I don't care, right? So low average, right? So but I'd be happy to just let it be about $3. That'd be cool, right? Let's go, Maxi. Go green. Go. Come on, mana. Mana's on the left hand side here, guys, right? So 295, right? So 295, right? And then Sandbox is another one that I have. That isn't really it's sluggish, right? In terms of percentages, right? It seems like it's doing good, but you think this thing would be pushing for $5 already? Like Mana's gone from $3 back to 240, back to $3. Mana's gone up 20 cents. Like uh man has done that. Sand has gone up like 20 cents, right? So ooh, just kidding. So again, 297 is what that candle pushed to there for mana, right? Come on, mana loves us, guys. I'll take $5 by end of the year. Yeah, I'll take $5. I'll take yes, that'd be my retirement, $1,000 in 10 years, Christy. Yeah, that's what a lot of these names are, though, right? Like 10 years. What can we do? What can we get? 10 years, right? So come on, we want to see $3 tonight. Is what we want to see for mana, right? So that's our goal. That's our hope. Mana, can you give that to us, right? Can you give that to us? Is that a yes? I think that's a yes, right? $3 before we hop off the stream, right? So please and thank you. That'd be cool. Look at that. Mana's like, yes, I can do that. 3 more cents away, guys. Where's Andrew? It's Andrew and all this rubbish. Retire in 10 years? In 10 years? Retirement in 10 years? Oh, yeah. It's a party, hypnosis. It's a party. This is business. This is business, guys. I'm planning. You plan on retiring retiring next year. What are you holding, Musty? That's gonna. We want to get in on this too. Is it Luna? I have 10 more. Yeah. What are you planning on? What are you holding that we should be buying if you're gonna retire in 1 year? Musty, can you give us that inside information, please? Candles, please. Candles, candles, candles. We're gonna wake up to about $3 tomorrow for mana. If Bitcoin doesn't do some rubbish, right? So mana's gonna go, 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 go. And Huts, BBIG, Luna and Huts. Okay, sounds good. Yeah, I mean, I hope BBIG explodes here soon. Had a nice close today, right? Maybe people anticipating something over the weekend, right? Huts is another name that moves really well with the crypto market, right? So what's up, late man? Let's go. And Luna, yeah, Luna has done really well. Lunas. So what else is on here? So just in superfood chain, convert cash reserve. Okay, cool. Shiba's reclaimed 12 billion market cap. Very cool, Shiba. Very cool. Change in last 24 hours. Okay, cool. So again, the crypto market, guys, the global cryptocurrency market today is 1.92 trillion, right? So That's a little bit higher now because Bitcoin is gone for another, so 1.93 trillion, guys. Um, for the entire crypto space, right? So I mean, Apple itself is worth more than 3 trillion there. So let's see here. I think that's it for now. Uh, it's that's so true, right? So I'll take a look at this. Let's take a look at this together here, and this makes a lot of sense, right? Hut is the other. Hut is nice. Let's go, man. Andrew. Andrew comes back, guys. I bet you Andrew's the is. You see this, Christy? Andrew comes back and Huts gets a red candle. Maybe that's the issue. So anyways, so and I think we all feel like this though, right? So that's not what I want, please. This, right? So again, Bitcoin. Oh yeah, let me switch the screens there, guys. So Bitcoin, right? So Bitcoin 2 weeks ago at $40,000. We're like, oh my goodness, the sky is falling. No, don't do that, Bitcoin, right? Bitcoin today above $40,000. We're like, oh yeah, come on, Bitcoin. It's amazing how like sentiment is changes. In the hand is worth more than two in the bush. What are we doing in the bush, Queen? Um, so to keep running, that's unique in your opinion, Musty? Yeah, right. So, 2 weeks ago, guys, like but $40,000 for Bitcoin. Yeah, we're going to zero. Now we're back above $40,000, and we're all celebrating. You're just like, okay, no one just chill at $40,000. Oh, you know what? Like this movie, you guys seen this movie? The Reverend, was filmed in uh in Canada, uh, close to close to. That's where birds live. Um, I don't know, Green. Um, there you go. So you see what Canada looks like, guys? Look at that. When you come to Canada, right? The cold. That's what you look like. That's what you look like, guys. Look at that, right? And then when you go back to the sunshine, that's what you look like. When you go back to the states, right? That's what you look. Should you FOMO? Uh, Crypto is like one of those things you try not to FOMO. You buy the dips, right? Because you know it's coming back. Hopefully, right? You know it's coming back, so you buy the dips. You scale in on the dips. FOMO is really not a thing. You want to do with crypto, right? Otherwise, you and the right is solid California, right? Canada, California, guys. Look at that rubbish. You guys see why maybe I don't go outside? It's like, want to go deal with that? No thanks. Is that a picture of you, Ryan? I don't know. Uh-huh. By a bit, to get by a bit to get an Oscar. Wow. Uh, Optimistic. Traders musty. I know. Bake or fry. Bake or fry. Hello. Pi Network, a new upcoming coin. I haven't looked at it. Bake or fry. I'm sorry, I haven't. Um, California, we get no weather here. No weather. Yeah. Right. So let me see some of these comments. Yeah, so true, right? So that person says so true. The time is now. Blah blah blah. Bitcoin is going up, blah blah blah. So again, just a whole bunch of celebration, guys. It's funny because it's true, Sheldon. It's funny because it's true. And then, yeah. Seemed like it was longer than the Titanic. I like honestly didn't like it. I don't know. People loved it, and that's cool, right? I watched like the first few minutes, and I was like, yeah, you know what? Don't I? Nah, no, thank you. I don't know. It was just different. Just difference, guys. So Andrew, we're just waiting, Andrew. We're waiting for mana to break about $3. Then we can say, okay, we'll come back tomorrow morning, right, and see where we are, right? We're just waiting. Come on, mana, get about $3. What's this rubbish? You know, is that a Skywalker? Oh yeah, I don't know. I don't know. Um, I don't know. Baby Doge. Interesting. There's just a bunch of people spamming Baby Doge. I like this. I like this little GIF, or whatever. Yeah, I like this. I like this thing. Like that. Like that. Oh no, guys. Oh no, 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 no. Um, what's this? Is this below $40,000? Is this what Andrew looked like when Mana was crashing? Um, this is Andrew before. This is Andrew with Bitcoin below $40,000. That's Andrew above $40,000, guys. We have a bears market. Must have, yeah. uh, Wall Street trader. No, he was yeah. This is a whole bunch of you guys. Um, what did I come back to? You came back to Andrew below $40,000 and Andrew above $40,000. That's what you came back to. Um, Amazing transformation. I mean, Bitcoin below 40K is stressful, guys. It's stressful for all the coins. All the coins. This is you every day on BBIG. I mean, it's stressful, guys. You know, when when Bitcoin is below 40K, it's all, Shiba selling off, Dogecoin is selling off, Mana is selling off, XRP selling off. All these things are struggling, right? This is how we all feel today. Too stressful, too stressful. Where's Andrew, guys? Andrew, I don't think Andrew's here. Supercuts and Baba, yep. Supercuts, guys, supercuts. Yeah, no, we're happy, right? So some of these, like when I take a look at some of these comments, right? They're funny. Let me see. Is there anything else? No. So I'm just gonna leave you until Andrew comes back, so we can. Andrew, you're here. Okay, there you go. That's you before, and this is you after, right? Okay, there you go. So now you can be happy. Well, back above $40,000, guys. Please and thank you. So if we can hold here for Bitcoin, that would be amazing, right? So Andrew doesn't have to go back to looking looking like that. Um, no, actually, this is Andrew and AMC. This is Andrew. Um, uh, the before is waiting for AMC. Okay, there we go. Andrew got it right. The before is me waiting for AMC to squeeze. Yeah, when AMC squeeze. Anyways, so Bitcoin is pushing here a little bit, right? So we're holding these gains, so sitting above 41.4 here, right? So which is amazing, right? We're pumping and flagging, right? So again, pump, flag, consolidate, right? So that's completely healthy, right? So completely healthy here. And of course, Mana, 297. As soon as Andrew shows up, here we are again at 295. Unbelievable. Uh, Investing in market and in real life, yep. That's pretty funny. Not gonna lie, that's pretty funny. Um, Reminder, guys, don't forget to smash like if you haven't already. Smash a like, hit that subscribe if you're new to the channel, guys, and yeah, there you go. So let me know if you have any questions. If there are any other coins you'd like me to take a look at, guys, let me know in the chat. Right, we can take a look at a few things. So if you're holding this, holding Mana, holding Sand, holding XRP, holding, right, let me know so I can maybe take a look. But yeah, so look at this. Look at that red candle. Every time Andrew types a word in the chat, we have a red candle. Unbelievable. Um, what buy and sell indicators do I use, Ja? It's called the super trend volume on buy sell indicator, right? So that's what it is. Again, keep in mind that these indicators are more reliable on longer time frames, right? So for example, if I take a look at Bitcoin here, right, did we get a buy signal at all on a longer time frame? So let me take a look at an hourly chart, right? Did we get one? Yeah, we got a buy signal for Bitcoin, right? So we got a buy signal for Bitcoin at this level, like right there. That was the buy signal, right, for Bitcoin there. So as we broke above the 20 MA there, right, a little bit again, support, break above that level, right? That moving average hold close above, buy signal, and yeah, so that's a nice gain, of course, right? Let me see if we got one on the daily chart there or the 4 hour. Let me take a look at the Yeah, so we got a buy signal here for it around the same level here, right? And that's of course a nice little pump there. So if I take a look at the 4 hour chart here for Bitcoin, see if we had anything. Yeah, we had a all around the same level here, right? So we had a nice sell signal here, right? Sell signal right there, and then another buy signal right here, right? So and of course it's had a nice run up here. So I feel like if I look at the mana chart, we're gonna have like buy and sell signals everywhere. So so again, that's the super trend. If you're wondering, right? It's on TradingView. If you need help setting that up, just let me know, right? So there's a link in the description for TradingView, and then you can just use the free version if you wanted to, right? If you wanted to, this rubbish 295 guys. Breakout of a downtrend on the weekly. Ranger, I'll take a look. I'll take a look. Mono, let's go. Really, really dragging off Andrew. Yeah. My bag is so heavy. My I'm about to Andrew. Like it's gonna be very exciting to like see you celebrate AMC. Yeah. Don't use indicators on a on a 1 minute time frame mono. Yeah, be careful, right? So I mean, again, the confirmation, it's confirmation, right? Mono, like it's confirmation when you see like when, for example, if I want to get into a scalp, I'm like, yep, I want that level, and I get a buy signal there. Okay, cool, right? Uh, which do you like better? Do you like Mana or Gala? I like Mana better. What do you guys like in the chat, guys? Mana or Gala? What do you guys like in the chat? Mana or Gala? I think Ryan likes Gala, right? I think Andrew likes Mana. Christy likes Mana, right? So what do you guys like better, Mana or Gala, guys? Metaverse plays, right? So Metaverse plays. Both? You like both? Okay, sounds good. It's empty the setting procedures. Mana for you. Okay, there you go, Christy. Dope. Go crazy. You like both. Okay, cool. Right. So no, again, like Mana, he's done well, like really well. From 2 weeks ago, this thing was below $2, right? So that's a huge pump, right? You take a look at Gala. Gala's done one of the top performance ones here today, though, right? Like for example, Mana and San are up 5% here, right? Gala's up almost 12%, right? So it's picking up some momentum, right? So Gala looks good. Uh, but you have more Mana. Okay, there you go. Waiting for Hala. You're waiting for Hala. La, la. On the 4 hour, it's been a lot. Yeah, you do, Mona. Okay, sounds good. I like the super trend in the 4 hour. The time frame a lot lately. Yeah, no, the 4 hour time frame is again. So the further out you go, right, the more reliable it becomes, right? So yeah, looking at the 4 hour, the daily, right, those are good time frames to look at, especially when you're looking for plays that you're not just again getting rid of right away, right? You're holding a little bit longer, right? The 4 hour time frame is really good. Blay, you like Mana? Okay, there you go. La, la. Beth likes Mana as well. Yeah, yeah. There you go. Iran is like is crazy. ZD, yeah, yeah. Long enough already. I bought AMC with my bar mitzvah money. Bar mitzvah. Um, there you go. Yes, Mana. Yeah. Now, hopefully, we can get back about $3 here for Mana, right? And Gala can hold about 20 cents, right? And so hopefully this is it. Hopefully this is it for the next, into the summer, guys. Again, so don't think that's going to be the case though. So we know coming into March, coming to next week especially, right? The Fed has another meeting, right? We know what happens when the Fed does that, right? So the Fed has a meeting next week to talk about rubbish. Right. So the Fed had another meeting next week, and then when you go into March, the Fed has said, yeah, potentially interest rates. Right. So they're looking. The first interest rate hike could come as soon as March, right? If that does happen, we're going to see a retracement not just in stocks, right, but in crypto as well, right? So maybe we push to $50,000, right, and then we retrace after that into March, right, and then we can continue after that and keep pumping into the summer, right? So hopefully, we'll see what happens, right? So again, next week is going to be telling. Seems like every week is important. There's always something now. Next week there's this, there's that, there's this, So yeah. Hopefully this doesn't destroy the momentum. Again, it's still weekend still, so hopefully Bitcoin and the rest of the the crypto space can keep moving here. before we get to the rubbish next week. Bitcoin, what are you doing? Don't think we're gonna see that $3 level, guys. As soon as we hop off, mana is gonna pump for $3. Again, that's not a concern, right? So it's not a concern at all. We don't have to see $3. We've been above $3 here today. We know we're eventually gonna get back above that level, right? And just keep going, right? Hopefully. So yeah, $3 is just a level we'd like to sit above. Hopefully Fed says something bearish. Judah, why? So you can buy the dips? Unbelievable. You're hoping the Fed says something bearish? Same age. Double started streaming hot trades. The same age. I don't own any mana. Oh, Blay don't own any mana. Okay, that's okay, right? So you own all the AMC. All the AMC. Uh, it's try the hybrid indicator. Ja? Okay, sounds good. I will. Explore timeline. So usually, let's go. So usually, so there's the Google update thing, right? So I want to take a look at this because I think it's gonna be funny. Um, um, right. Usually, like every month you get like a Google update, right? In terms of like your location over the last month, right? Like where you've been, like you've been to this, you've been here and here and here, and it's exciting. You're like, wow, I've been to all these places in the last month, right? I'm looking at it for this month, and um, and it's giving me one date. It's like on this date you drove to this spot and came back. Um, initially it's like, okay, you've been to, you drove 5 hours to go skiing, you went camping, you went to Mexico, you did this, right? Now it's like, oh, you drove there and you came back, and that's the only thing we have for you. That's just my Google update, guys. Unbelievable. uh, bearish person still holding MC. I may be the only rubbish person. No, you're not. You're not, Blair. I think most people in the chat are holding AMC, right? So I have some AMC calls that I hope can perform. Andrew is holding all like 80% of the floats, right? Then the other, that's the float that gets, and then the other 20% is owned by hedge funds that gets routed in the dark pool, right? So um, you are going to the moon. Yeah, going to the moon, right? It tells you how close you are to the moon, right? How close? Yeah. So Christy owns about 1%. Um, everybody else owns 1%. Andrew owns the rest. Um, that's what you're doing here, and Google doesn't count that. Oh, count for that. All right, Mono. Right. We're going to the moon, guys. Google doesn't know it. Doesn't know it. I still have this thing on the right hand side, guys, and I think it's funny. Andrew, AMC below $20. That's Andrew before, and once our AMC starts getting back above $20, and just that's gonna be Andrew on the right hand side, or Bitcoin below 40K, Bitcoin above 40K, guys, right? So I think that's really funny. Um, uh, um, and it's so it's me. Is AMC well? No, Andrew. I think you are. You own all the shares. I own options. You own all the shares. Um, Robert. Oh, no, we've had some stressful times, guys. Some stressful times below $40,000, right? So glad we're back above, right? Hopefully we can run now. Hopefully Bitcoin can run back to 50K over the week for the weekend. I'm not sure that's gonna happen though. We just want to hold over $40,000 for the weekend, guys, right? If we can push to 42, 43, maybe by tonight, right? 42, 43, right? That'd be cool, right? And then yeah, right, Robert. Um, do you have to? Do you have to? Oh yes, yeah. What's the next squeeze? Moa's date again? um, the day after your son's birthday. We got this. Blair. I like honestly, those dates are yeah. Um, is there a squeeze coming for AMC, Judah? Um, yeah, 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 yeah. No one can tell you that. No one can tell you that, right? So we hope we can regain some momentum, right? The short interest is slowly growing again. Not really something that I want to pay attention to, but it's a tool, right? So again, the only way I look at short interest is as we're selling off, why what's happening, right? So yeah. So again, we'll see. Again, just looking for some momentum there for AMC and hopefully a nice run. We hope. There you go, Christy. Right. So we hope is the best answer, right? Is there a short squeeze coming? We hope so. We hope soon. We hope. We hope. We hope. Right. So. Um, we hope so. There you go. Let's see here. I've been asking this for months. That voice keeps jinxing ANC. What do you mean? What do you mean, Andrew? How am I jinxing it? How? Oh man, it's coming. Yeah, yeah. And Apes is gonna have a, like it's one of it's almost like you're looking at Shiba and you're looking at Dogecoin, right? AMC, right? So all of these names with like huge communities behind them, right? They're gonna run, right? They always again sell off, but they're gonna still run, right? So again, AMC with like the following and the attention that that thing has. If the hedge funds let go for a second, right, that thing moves very quickly, right? So yeah, um, it's gonna run again, right? So like from $10, I don't know, from $14, I don't know, right? From 8 cents, I don't know, right? But it's gonna run again, right? So it's gonna go for one of those like 20% runs, from one of those, one of those massive runs again, and maybe that's gonna spark something, right? A little bit of something, something. Oh yeah, did you get into Discord, Ryan? Did you get into Discord? I can tell you that it's coming if you put the Juju doll away. Okay, I will, Andrew. I will. It sense. I don't know, honestly, Christy, right? So it's gonna happen, right? So it has a huge following, right? A community. When that stuff starts moving, everybody foremost, right? When AMC moves, right? People say, crypto who, right? Mana who, Bitcoin who, right? BBIG who, right? People forget about all the other names and run to AMC. That's the type of attention that that thing has. So it's going to be even richer when what happens. Yeah, again, if it doesn't squeeze soon, Andrew, I'm gonna have to, those calls are gonna expire worthless, right? And then I'm gonna have to go buy a new, different batch of, it's almost like the game where you're saying, is this the week? I'm gonna throw on, is this the week? Is this the week? Here you go, another more money, AMC. Is this the week? Here you go, more money, AMC. Is this the week, right? So oh, Nate's mono. Oh, Nate's. Between the two of us, Blaine and I have 20,000 AMC videos, 200,000. If that doesn't squeeze, we wasted 5 years of our lives. BuddyTheBranch.com. Scotty, I have no idea. I bet you he does. I bet you he does. Nick the Whale. So again, Bitcoin trying to bounce here, guys, right? So trying to go for a little bouncy bounce, right? Mana just chilling for now, right? What did the rest of the okay, cool. Nothing's done anything else that we should be paying attention to here. Nothing. There you go, BTC. Come on, give us a pump. There you go, Mana. Mana's always ready to go. Like as soon as Bitcoin moves here, Mana's ready to go. I like that, right? So I like that. Every week every week is the so on Moaz. Um, Anybody watching African Cup of Nations? Judah? Yeah, I'm gonna have to watch. When's the final? What is it? Senegal and Egypt? When's the final? Mo Salah was Mane. Some videos of like what Disney princess is drawn the best, quickest on stuff I did mono. Unbelievable. Um, there you go. 955. Yeah. Eventually, Blair. Eventually, Andrew. 216 around that date. I don't think 400 people can be wrong. I mean, Andrew, I think they can. I think they can. Everybody's been wrong so far on AMC for the most part. Um, it's because we're looking at, we can look at all this cool stuff and that's amazing, right? Uh, but like it's the hedge funds are never, right, Mono? Um, no, it's because we keep looking at information that we have absolutely no control over, right? So like technicals are really important, guys, right? Really, really important. Um, right? So 96, 296, yeah. It's so inevitable. There you go. It's coming. I think it's time to trap the what, Judah? Yeah. Um, AMC has been one of the AMC. It's on the internet. It must be true. It must be true. Right? AMC has been one of those names where um like we've gone into like all the rabbit holes. I've seen people pull up moons, people pull up like all type of fancy names just to say, okay, Aves is gonna do this, that, on this date. It's impressive. Like we're going through like all the entire list, guys. Okay, that didn't work. Okay, this didn't work. Okay, this has to work. It, Reddit does. Yeah. No, hopefully, yeah, hopefully that thing moves soon. So, otherwise, Andrew, on YouTube. It's coming. It's coming. No, I'm. We know it's coming, right? We know it's coming. It's just a matter of time. Rabbit holes. Just a matter of time. So you just have to be patient, right? So the intention for these guys is to make sure that you cannot, you just like forget, you just, just lose all faith, right? And then it's gonna run. I buy puts and watch your bet post now. Yeah. It's a real pump. It's like a boat trap, Happy Fox. I'm sitting on this. You're sitting this one out. That's okay, right, Happy Fox? Again, it's way too early, right? Again, it's way too early to tell whether this is a boat trap or if this is gonna continue, guys. Way too early, right? We have one candle, right? One candle of information about $40,000, right? So to say that okay, this is a trap or we're about to explode from here, it's way too early. So give it some time, right? Give it some time to see what happens here. Let's go. Come on, Mana. You can do it. You can do it. AMC McDonald's going to 500K. AMC purchase McDonald's. Ranger. Yeah. Ranger, I think you asked the question. I just, what was the question again? I think I missed it. Forgot. Again, don't forget to smash the like, guys. Hit the like if you haven't already. Hit that subscribe if you're new to the channel. And if you want to become a member and join us in Discord, come join us in Discord. Let's go, Mana. Let's go, Beth. Come on. You call Mana Beth money, guys. Source AMC purchased McDonald's. AMC bought McDonald's. I mean, AMC. Ranger says source. Trust me. Trust me. AMC doesn't even have money to. AMC just borrowed money to like pay their. Um, um, AFC just borrowed money to go 950 million to pay the other money, right? So they're spending too much on popcorn, right? So I don't know if they have money to McDonald's. I don't know if anybody has money to buy McDonald's. Yeah, there you go. So you click on the link, Ryan. Like you click on the join link. What happened when you click on the link? May have news soon, but fast food stands no major adoption. Yeah. Yeah. I think we're coming to learn that AMC's for the most part, right? AMC is run by retail momentum, right? So I think that's really resonating, right? So AMC is just run by retail momentum, because the company itself really does nothing to help the stock, right? So and even when they do come up with news like Spider-Man, like just destroying box office numbers, right? The stock doesn't move. It doesn't move at all, right? So it doesn't help. So again, it's all about like the shorts versus retail, right? So for the most part, where Mana's you wonder where Mana's headed to, Ian? Well, we hope about $3, and right. So we looked at so last was it 2 days ago, right? We looked at predictions for Mana, right? So what a lot of these platforms what they're predicting for Mana at the end of the year, a lot of them are looking for like $5, right? That's the consensus, right? $5 for Mana by the end of the year, right? So we'll see. Can that thing get to $5? Oh yeah, if Bitcoin runs to 70K, that's an easy push for Mana, right? So enforces the new reg, it will move things along. Andrew, yeah. New flavor popcorn. Uh, nah. Is not running it. Shorts are, but not for long. Scuba, yeah. Again, so that's what I'm saying, right? It's retail versus shorts, right? The retail takes control, pushes it up. The shorts take control, they push it back down, and then the company itself is sitting there and making flavors of popcorn and raising money. So yeah, I'm trying to think of one thing that AMC's done that's pumped the stock. I don't know. I'm sure there is. Maybe Andrew can help us out, right? So Andrew, like I'm just trying to think of like one thing, that the company itself has done, right? To help pump the stock, right? So yeah, I'm sure there are a few things. I just can't remember. If AMC squeezes, there will be a trigger. Okay. McDonald's can't buy a Big Mac. Yeah, liquids back and forth. Yeah. Okay, then look at this rubbish, guys. We're just going up and down for now, right? So up and down, up and down. Free popcorn. Give free NFTs for investors, Ian. I mean, those NFTs are, those NFTs are. I mean, they might, especially like the Spider-Man NFTs, right? They might be worth something, but there's so many of them, right? So next up, pop, popcorn coin. I'm sure there is. I'm sure there is. Who is that? Was yeah. I just don't know. And then squeezes the trigger the other sucks the pump too. Usually that's what happens, right? When AMC runs, right? When AMC GME runs, it triggers all the other meme stonks, right? To run yeah. Up and down like a seesaw, Eric, like a seesaw, like a like a seesaw. Let's see the NFTs, Andrew. That's it though. Like that's it. Like NFTs are cool, right? That the NFTs are cool. And it's something for like it's something for the for the investors to say, okay, wow, special, right? So um but you know and all I remember is just like they're selling this, selling shares, raising money, this and this and this, right? So yeah. This year we become smart money, musty. We become smart money, guys, right? So again, this year we don't play games. We take no games being played this year. You need to start playing options play. Yeah, this week has been a lot of fun with options, right? So, a lot Vision Heyo, right? So this week was a lot of fun with options. People made some ridiculous amounts of money, right? So which is exciting with options, right? So yeah, yeah. This is business. This is business, guys. This is business. Yeah, so I think what we're gonna do with those like with the NFTs, what we're gonna do maybe right is those NFTs. So if you have an NFT, right, that's gonna come with like an options class, right? So you can so instead of like signing off for the options class, right, with the NFT, you can have like a class or something, right? So we think that's what we do, right? So which is cool, right? So yeah. So if you wanna, yeah, 60% now. I said this. Just your luck, musty. Yep. With Facebook, with Facebook is going to help us as well. Facebook, yeah. The real value, real sports cards don't get wiped out when the internet goes down. Happy Fox, yeah. Come on, Bitcoin, you can do this. You can go. Did we get a massive pump or something, guys? We've been waiting. Give us something. Again, mana back to 296, right? So this thing wants to go. It's 4 cents. Mana, it's 4 cents. Like it's 4 cents, and then we're good, right? So come on. That going with them. XRP is going to jail. Don't think anyone's. That's not what the law. That's not what's going on, Mappy Fox. Right? Hey, Tara says greetings from Houston. What's XRP doing? Has any news come out about the lawsuit? So yeah, there's been some stuff that's come out about. Hi, Andrew. So there's been some stuff, right? So not a whole lot, right? Just dates for now, right? Just dates in terms of like, okay, so on the 17th of February, right? So that's the deadline for So again, maybe let me zoom in here a little bit more so you can see what I'm looking at there. So deadline for the SEC to file any motion for reconsideration of magistrate judge Nedburn's okay, cool, whatever, right? So again, these are the dates, right? So in terms of news, there's nothing new, right? In terms of like, okay, what's actually happened, right? Do we have a definitive agreement on or anything, right? Nothing. Not much news. Mostly been deadlines. There you go, right? So there you go, Scotty, right? So submit documents. No, February. No, there you go, right? So that's that. Yeah. So there you go, Scotty, right? So no news, right? Just a whole bunch of deadlines here, right? So 17th, the 25th, the 28th, right? Nothing new here. This has just been the same thing that's been going on for the last year, right? We have a dates here, we have a dates here, we have a dates here, and then it just keeps going, and we're waiting for these gains to come. And Scotty's now becoming Scotty, and Scotty's is becoming Andrew. Um, you're welcome, Sarah. There's nothing new, right? So, um, Geo did, Bill did, find it all happy fucked, unbelievable. Um, there you go. Come on, Bitcoin. Come on, Mana. Give us a pump here into the. Well, Gala's pumping, Ian. Yeah, Gala's done well. Gala's one of the top metaverse coins here in the bit. 14% for Gala, guys. Wow, actually. Wow, wow, wow. Look at that thing, right? Look at that. Look at that, guys. That's Gala, right? Gala's looking really good, actually. Look at this, right? So it's just been just been pumping, right? 23 cents now. Wow, right? 14%. I mean, it's triple the returns of Mana and Sand, right? The other two metaverse names, right? That's Gala, guys. Looking really good there, right? Yeah. A ton of documents left the country. Yeah. Unbelievable, honestly, Andrew. Um, what's Mana up to, Vision? It's shilling. It's on the left hand side, right? So Mana is 295. So it's up 5%, but it's not a gala pump, right? So 13% pump, guys. Wow. Is a what? You want positive go go where? Uh, you bought that gala dip heavy. Okay, nice, congrats. Right, so yeah, 18 cents was a nice little support there for gala, right? 18 cents, and yeah, it's done well, right? Uh, let's go. Trey says, "What's up? So you streaming? So I just stopped by to speak. To speak. I hope everyone's doing well. Hopefully you're doing well too, Trey. Right? So yeah, we're just hanging out and looking at Bitcoin back above $40,000, and we've gone from like no hair below $40,000 to hair above $40,000, right? So hopefully we can keep going. So. Oh, the fire! Oh yeah, the fire musty. Yes, Andrew sent me a thing about the fire. Uh, I like, but this is business, Ryan. This is business for Gala. Yeah, no, Gala's done well. It's done really well, right? So done really well. So yeah, let me know if you have any questions, guys. Yeah, we can hang for a bit, right? And then come on, we can hang for a bit longer, right? Yeah, right, Scotty. Yeah, we can hang for a bit longer here, and then so let me put up Bitcoin again, guys. There you go. Oh, are you about to get some fireworks? 97, guys. 97. Come on, 3 cents. It's 3 damn cents, man. You can do this. Give us $3, guys. We want $3 tonight. Tonight, guys. Look at that thing go. Right. So come on, 3 cents. Oh, there goes Mana. Mana's like, Gala. Who? Am I competing with Gala? Nah. Right. Let's go. Documents and no protection. Back of our honesty. Exactly. I musty. Very questionable. Highly questionable. There we go. Come on. 2.5 cents, guys. 2.5 cents. Here goes Bitcoin as well. We're looking good. Again, you guys wanted the pump? Here comes the pump, guys. Let's go, Beth. $3. Come on. 2.3 cents. Let's go. We're counting these cents now, guys. 2.2 cents. Let's go. Let's go hypnosis. How Shiba looking, Terra? Shiba's fine, right? So Shiba's fine. Shiba's up about what 8% here today, right? So I can pull up Shiba. So Shiba's up what? Okay, actually, there's a reset. So Shiba's fine, right? It's bouncing with the rest of the names, right? So hopefully that thing can keep going, right? We'll take a look. Competition is good. Competition is good, guys. Let's go, Queen. Rocket, rocket, rockets. Rockets, rockets, rockets. Come on, you can do this. 3 cents. We won $3, guys. Uh, no, but seriously though, I can't wait to try this ramen. It's so nice and warm. So some ramen for dinner. My first meal of the day. Can you believe that? Yeah, I was just lazy. I just didn't want to cook, and I just took a nap instead. So just lazy, lazy, lazy. La. Wondering what we'll say. Yeah, honestly, I don't know, Gary. Yeah, I don't know what Gary must be honestly about regulating crypto short sale. Yeah, I don't know. Hopefully something good, right? Hopefully, hopefully. So eat we don't mind. It's yeah, I don't know. I'd have to like serve it up like on a dinner plate. That's not good, Christy. I know. 2 cents, guys. Can we get a spam in the chat, guys? Can you guys spam $3 in the chat? Because we're 2 cents away. Come on, spam $3 in the chat, guys. Where's Andrew? Andrew's not here, guys. Look at that. Andrew's not here, and mana is pumping. As soon as Andrew shows up, red. As soon as we said Andrew, like just the mention of Andrew's name, we had a candle retrace. Unbelievable. Like it's not even funny anymore. $3. Let's go, Beth. Let's go, Mono. Oh, there comes Andrew, guys. Here we go. Now, here we go. Look at Mana. Look at Mana getting red candles. Look at this. Record is saying going to Dark Pool. He's already on record saying nine nah. Going to the Dark Pool, Andrew. Yeah, I don't know. Did you not eat the ramen yet? No, not quite yet, Musty. I will when we hop off. $3, come on, Bitcoin. Yeah, Bitcoin looks good again. So we're gonna wake up tomorrow morning, guys. As soon as we hop off the stream, you just watch. As soon as we hop off the stream, it's gonna be a pump fest. Pump, you get a pump, you get a pump overnight. No sleeping tonight. Why? Because everything's pumping, right? So look at this. Now we're stuck. We're about to get a red candle. It's because Andrew showed up. Look at this now, guys. Look at this. Look at this rubbish. Exchanges, yeah. Let's go, Tara. Come on. Come on. But you took a nap. Yeah, Beth, right? So, no. Hopefully, yeah. Hopefully, it's a fun night. Hopefully, it's a fun night. We can have fun in Discord. Uh, I was sending you a video. Andrew, you're sending me a video. Okay, sounds good. Um, yeah. No. Hopefully, we can have fun in Discord, right? Because Bitcoin is pumping. Because everything is pumping, right? So, again, so we're on Shiba here. We're still waiting for one of those, for Doge and Shiba. I feel like we've been spoiled by Doge and Shiba because these runs are not good enough anymore, right? So we want one of those like 10% runs, those 20% runs for Shiba, and then we can celebrate. Dogecoin, same thing, right? So we want to, we're looking for those crazy runs. 97. Come on. And back below, guys. So yeah, we can hang for 15 more minutes, guys. 15 more minutes, and then we can take a break and hang out in Discord, right? So hang out in Discord. I'm going to wake up tomorrow morning with an afro. Why? Because mana's above $5. Um, to end this madness, and then the 20 bears who and back to hibernation. Happy Fox, yeah. Hey, yeah. Hey, yeah. Again, 40K is a step, right? It's a huge step. It's an amazing step. So yeah, one step at a time, guys. One step at a time, right? So we're testing that 9-day moving average, then holding for Mana and Bitcoin, right? So hopefully we can hold here, right? Come on, 2.5 cents. Nope, not anymore. Come on, give us a massive green candle. Here we go. Here we go. You can do it. Here we go. Come on, Mana wants to, guys, and well, as soon as we hop off, it's gonna be above $3 if it doesn't do that now. Uh, Scotty's talking. Uh, oh, Scotty, L. is that like when moon, soon moon, when moon, soon moon? What are the other words saying? Scotty. Latin incantations or Latin incantations. Scotty's praying, guys, in other languages. From English to um, and Bud Manna. Nice. So Scotty's praying in another language for all the names. Retail investors come by. Happy Fox, yeah. I hope so too. I hope so too, guys. Come on, come on, come on, come on. You can do this. Nope. Bitcoin. Bitcoin's retracement. Bitcoin retracement here, guys. Let me take a look at. Is that a Harry Potter spell? I hope not. I hope it's something good, Scotty. You bought Gala back in May 2021. Wow, Sarah, congrats! Right, you're sitting with some nice gains now. Yeah, no, again, Gala's done really well today, right? So what's it's still again up 12% here, 30 almost 13%, right? It's done really well, better than most names, right? It's done really really well. Go Terra, yeah, right. That's amazing. Um, Again, buy, hold, celebrate. Buy, hold, celebrate gains in a year later, right? So most of these names, guys, a year ago, right? For example, like a year ago, Mana was below $1, right? So what was Mana? Can't remember now, but something around like 70 cents, right? So that's what it was. Sandbox was like 4 cents, right? So a lot of these names have really stepped up, right? Like really, really performed well. So long term, right? Long term plays, like crypto is just one of those spaces where like longevity, for the most part, right? It rewards, right? Patience, right? If you ride the valley, the dips, right? Get rewarded. Find the dips. Uh, got the tea leaves, and holy water, tea leaves, the tea leaves, guys. Oh, am I? I'm not sure, Tara. I'll take a look. I'm not sure. La, la, la. Oh, it really is, Ryan. It really is. This 1 second chart is killing my eyes. No, it's not the 1 second chart. It's the 1 minute, right? So, um, yeah. Let's go, Corey. Corey says hot trade is the best stock in crypto stream, no cap. Let's go, Corey. Let's go, guys. Thank you for the support, Corey. Always. Um, thank you very much. Teamwork, 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 teamwork. Community. We just have fun. We honestly just have fun with as a community. So yeah, we just enjoy it, right? So at least we try to. Sometimes it's like this, we go through cycles like this, um but we try to, right? So oh yeah, Mana wants to go, like Mana really does want to go, right? So I like that. I like when you're looking at like a chart, right? And you can tell that the leader is lacking a little bit, but again, so what you're holding wants to go, right? That's usually a good step, because once the leader does go, right, that thing moves. Look at this, guys. Come on, here we go. Come on. We're so close, guys. So close. Actually, this level isn't supposed to be here, right? That line moved a little bit. It's supposed to be all the way up there, right? So there you go, right? We're so close. So close. So close. Yeah, Crow's up slightly as well. Vision, right? Sitting around 43 cents. Come on, come on, come on. What was the stock? Like, he shorted Tesla, ja. Shorted Tesla. Let's go, Martin. Let's go. Come on. Mm-mm-mm. Come on, we're counting these cents. 1.7 cents. um, yeah, no, Crow's up slightly, just not moving as much as some of the other names, right? So, giving me a headache. Have they tried going to the trash can? All the FOMO. We love gains. We love gains. Look at this, guys. 1.2 cents. Come on, give us 99. 2.99. Oh yeah, we're about to do it, guys. We're about to do it. Oh no, 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 no. Simmer down. Take a bed. There you go. Bitcoin, yeah, Bitcoin is looking good there, right? So come on, man. You can do this. You can do this. Come on, give us 99. 299. 299. It's we're selling stuff. You get a 299. 299 free mana for 299. Come on, you can do this. Mana is stuck there at 299. So device 11, not surprised, but gains. Big loves Larry. We love gains. I like gains. Do we all like gains? Yeah. Do we all like gains, guys? Oh wow, Bitcoin is moving nicely, very nicely there, right? So those candles are extended though, so I might need to shrink them down a little bit, right? Um, so Zion, yeah, quite a few, quite a few people are. Whoa, 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 whoa. La, la, la. You could sell. We love gains. We love gains. Of course we do. What so we love gains. La, la. There you go. You know it's gonna break above, right, Christy? Like it's gonna break above $3 tonight. It just doesn't want to do it with us here. Like what's going on? Where's Andrew? Uh, right? Just doesn't want to do it. We're waiting. We just want to see $3, and then we can take a break and hang out in Discord and whatnot, right? It just doesn't. Come on, you can do it, Mana. Right? So you have 7 minutes, Mana. You have 7 minutes. Pop, Mana. Pop. You can do it. This. You can do it. La, la, la. Can you put the bubble chart on? I forgot what it's called. It's called crypto bubbles. So right there, right? It's called crypto bubbles. So again, you take a look at those bubbles, right? Am I glitching a little bit? Maybe a little bit, maybe slightly. So those are crypto bubbles. $3, 3. Come on, we can do this. I have to. I bet it better hurry up, Christy. Right? This thing better hurry up, right? So these are the crypto bubbles. It's called. So what do you have to go through? So this just shows you like in terms of like the top 100, right? So for example, top 100, right, percentage gains, right? You just again, so it just it just compares everything in one simple fate, so again, so you just so cryptobubbles.net is that's the site, right? You can take a look at the top 100. You can go down and take a look at the top 200, right? You can just go down the list, right? And then of course, right, you can get different names. So for the most part though, all these things are green, right? So with again, this is the last 24 hours. Meta Hero 300. Okay, cool. Meta Hero up 18% there, 5.5 cents. Okay, cool, right? Yeah, right. So and then you can switch the time frame, right? So the last 15 minutes, right? Last 15 minutes here for the top 100, right? There you go, right? So that's the last 15 minutes here for the top 100 coins, and stuff like that. So and then just you can take a look like that, right? So you don't have to go searching for Shiba, right? For example, you don't have to go searching for Shiba or Mana, right? You can say, okay, in the last hour or in the last 24 hours, what's Mana doing? What's Leo doing? What's Gala doing? Right? Gala, really good, right? So really, really good. You're making ramen with eggs, ramen? Ramen with eggs. About to squeeze some more shorts out again. Come on, squeeze these shorts. So again, I think we covered that little article there about so right, la la la, right. So look at that, guys. So that was a few hours ago, right? So a few hours ago. So again, 103 million, right? Bitcoin shorts have been liquidated. This is the type of numbers we want to see for AMC, right? Uh, there you go. Is the Nightbot Mindy? No, it's not, Happy Fox. Nightbot is just a bot, right? Right. So again, 103 million. Keep liquidating these shorts. Take those shorts away. My taxes today with small. It turns out the preferred money jar. Yep. Right. So there you go. And here we go. Come on. 99 won, guys. Can we get some more spams for $3? Because we're about to do it. We're about to do it, guys. $3. Come on. Let's see those spams. Like $2.99. You get $2.99. We get $2.99. We want $3 though. Come on. Don't do this, Mana. Don't do this. It's 1 cent away. 1 cent. It's 1 cent. Give us 1 cent. Right? So 323. We can do this. We can do this, Mana. Come on. One more cent. One pump. We need Bitcoin's help. Nah, nah. Where's William? I miss his words. Happy folks, are you storm coming? Do you feel it, Musty? Do you feel the storm coming? Not yet. Not yet. Once you break above like the 42s, the 43s, I feel like, and then I'd be a lot more comfortable for Bitcoin, right? 40, 42, 43, right? So once you can push above the levels like that, back about $50,000, then yeah, comfort. The storm, the crypto storm, guys. Come on, crypto, you can do this. One last pump. Again, it's setting up nicely. It's setting up nice. We usually have these runs when we go to bed, right? So when we're sleeping, right, we have some really nice runs, right? So that's just a crypto cycle, right, guys? Where we most of the time that's how it plays out, right? We pump like into the evening, right? We slack, at like into midnight, right? Then we pump again, right? And then we have that morning sell off, right? And they just the cycle over and over and over, right? So how did Yoda get his girlfriend? He used the Salesforce. He used Salesforce. Unbelievable. I forgot get his first. How did Yoda get his first lead? Salesforce. Would break the yoke. I know, right? I know. Yeah. So when we sleep, we make money. How amazing is that, Sarah? Right? When you sleep, you make money. Crypto, right? That's crypto. When you sleep, you make money. There you go, guys. Again, reminder, if you're not a member yet, come join us in Discord so we can celebrate these gains together, right? So yeah, come join us. Been known to become Daybot and Eatbot on occasion. So yeah, come join us in Discord, guys. So here's the membership link. If you're not a member yet, come join us in Discord. So we can, when we're not streaming, we can still celebrate together, right? In the crypto channel there. And spam some emojis, right? So there you go. And so don't forget to smash a like if you haven't already, guys. Smash a like, hit that subscribe if you're new to the channel, and all the fun stuff. Let's go. Come on. Nana, you can do this. You can do it. You can do it. Just a matter of time. Just a matter of time. Shiba's at 23 now, Andrew. Very nice. Very, very nice. 23. 23. Oh, yeah. Here we go. Oh. Not yet. Not yet, guys. So close. So close. Half a cent away. 0.3 cents away, guys. That's what it was. 0.3. And then we came back down. Here we go. Oh. Nope. Unbelievable. These things are such a tease. Chris says, come on, right? Well, well, in the, come on. Come on. Come on, come on. You can do this. You can do it. You can do it. Here we go. Come on. Oh, it's gonna happen. And it is. Wow, guys. A cent, such a tease. $3. It's gonna happen overnight. If whether we're here or not, it's gonna happen, right? The question is, Bitcoin is pushing, right? Pushing, pushing. Let's go BTC, right? Mana's right there, right? So go sheep, go. Let's go Shiba. Come on, go Shiba, Shiba, go. Right. So yeah. Here we go. Here we go. And it is done, guys. We did it. Can we break above and hold above? That'd be amazing, right? We did it. $3, guys. Finally. So close. We finally we saw the $3 level for mana. How cool is that? Right? So there you go. How cool is that? 1 minute chart, so many hours I could see this coming. Right, Musty? Finally, yes. Come on, guys. So hopefully tomorrow we wake up at 3:20, right? 3:20, 3:10, and then we can find support at $3, right? Let's go. Congrats, congratulations, hooray! We finally did it, guys. Mana finally gave us $3, so now we can say, okay, good night, right? So let's hang for like 2 more minutes, 5 more minutes, right? 5 more minutes and see what happens here at $3, because usually when you get to resistance, some magic happens, whether we explode or whether we retrace, right? So yeah. So let's give it a few more minutes here, right? 5 more minutes, and then we can call it a night and hang out in Discord, right? So Yeah. La la la. Come on, let's go, let's go, let's go. $3 is Bitcoin looks really good, right? So what I want to pull up here though is Shiba, right? So what Shiba at, guys? Shiba, yeah, Shiba is going for a nice little run here too, right? So for 4%, 23, really nice, right? Really, really nice, guys. So I'm gonna leave up Shiba for right there, right? So I'm gonna leave up Shiba. So there you go, looking really good, guys. Looking good. Yay. Let's go. We did it. Andrew, with Andrew in the chat, we did that. Wow. You're calling yeah, 41.8? Okay, sounds good. 41.8. Does need to it needs to hit some good technology. Unbelievable. BTC is king vision? Yeah, it is. That's not a question, right? Here we go, right? So this is the magic we talk about. Once you clear like some levels, right? You can see some nice candles coming in here. You feel like William? You feel like William? uh, Goals, everything follows, right? Vision, exactly, right? So look at that. Headed for 3. Let's go. Come on, you can do it. Give us a 301. 301, guys. No, that's these are some nice pump candles, guys, right? So we've done really well. Ooh, Queen says ooh. Let's go. Uh, no, nah, nah. Oh yeah, just looking at an NFT here. La for mine. There you go. Sheep at 3. Can you imagine? At 3? At $3. Shiba at $3. Shiba, yeah, Shiba has a ways to go, right? So yeah. Keep going, Shiba. So we want to get again. So Shiba regains that excitement once it breaks back above like 3, right? When I say 3, you know what I mean, right? So 30, right? So see if we can get back there. Right. So again, if Bitcoin keeps going, Shiba is gonna do really well. But this is exciting. This is fun, guys, right? So very, very fun. You're loving it. You're loving it. I think we're loving this, guys. Right. So again, we've gone from a you know we've gone from a we've gone from a we've gone from a to this, guys. Look at that, right? You know, before before this week to this week. You know, exciting, exciting, exciting. So are you loving it? Loving it. Would disappear because I would have a kick over and white queen. Wow. Ain't a fun winning the crash. Yep. There you go, guys. So let me know if you have any last questions, guys, so we can take a little break, right, and come back tomorrow, right? Come back tomorrow and celebrate some more gains as crypto is now retracing, right? It's given us that we had a $3 break above, right? So now we're testing that 9 the EMA there. See if we can test and hold. Shiba is doing the same thing, right? So Shiba is testing and holding. So again, if you bought the dip, congrats, right, guys? Most of these names, Shiba, Dogecoin, all these names seem like they're finding a nice base. So if you bought the dip, right, I'm sure you're happy with the last few days here, right? Because especially the last 24 hours, right? You're really happy because these things have really done well, right? So, is better than sheep, Springe. Yeah, yeah. Whatever you want to invest in, right? So, absolutely anything you want to invest in, whatever you believe in, right? Uh, so it's possible. Dream with there you go. You broke mana. Yeah, we broke $3. We've been pumping, right? So pump, pump, pump. It's been fun, right? So it's been fun winning for this $3 level, guys. Pump, 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 pump. Finally back above $3, right? So that was fun, right? Finally gave it to us, Christy. So you can go to bed now, Christy. I know you've been waiting for the $3. We were here. We saw it. $3, right? Still holding. You believe in it? My crypto's finally starting to look normal again. Beth, we're happy, right? So. There you go. Mindy says, Pikachu Diamond Hands. You don't have a choice, Mindy. You don't have a choice. You don't have a choice. You have to believe. You have to hold. um, here you go. Um, that's funny. La Pikachu. Waiting to start my night off. Yeah, right. Now you can, Christy. I know. Now I can have some food as well. You guys, we can again, so we can keep watching these names anyways in chat and Discord in the crypto channel. So if you have any questions, you can just ask in there. Again, don't forget to smash a like if you haven't already. Holding until I have all the Pokemons, all the Pokemons. Pikachu. What are the other Pokemons can you find? Pikachu. The other Pokemons, all the Pokemons. We're back about $3, guys. Look at that. Easy peasy lemon squeezy, guys, for mana. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. So break about three. Now it becomes oh wow. We're going again. Just PYR. Okay, nice. Here we go. So again, Shiba on the right hand side, right? So that's Shiba, right? We took off Bitcoin for a bit because Bitcoin is not doing well, right? So it's back above key level, so we can leave that off for now, right? So that's Shiba, right? And then man on the left hand side. So I'm sure they find them easily. Lose $100 in 24 hours. Yep. 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 About Kishu, Terra. I haven't looked at those. There you go. And there you go, guys. Wow, very nice. Very very nice. Have fun, guys. Look at this. We've gone from we've gone from this. This is all of us tonight, guys. All of us tonight. When crypto was struggling, we lost all the hair. We were concerned about everything. Now we are celebrating, guys. Celebrating. Look at that. Have fun. Have fun, guys. Happy. Yeah. There you go. And let me see. Is there anything else that we haven't covered yet, guys? No, I think we've looked at most things we wanted to, right? So yeah. Again, these crypto bubbles should be looking green, right? So green, very nice. Mana just keeps going, right? So mana, let's go mana. Shiba looks good, right? Let me take a look at this list one more time here. So again, Matic is looking good, right? Dogecoin needs to get back about 15 and 16, so cool, right? Gala is one of the top performing metaverse plays, right? It's up almost 16% now. Like Gala, absolute monster in the last 24 hours, right? Done really well. XRP trying, right? Bitcoin trying again, looks fine, right? So yeah, let's get these gains, guys. It's gains on gains. First time contributor check it one day after the GameStop announcement. It did. I Perfect Dark. Okay, sounds good. LRC, yeah, it's one of the top. So if you take a look at the last 15 minutes here, that's it. LRC, right? Yeah, we've looked at this in the past as well. We've looked at this quite a bit in the past. Um, I Perfect Dark, right? So yeah, it's done really well, right? So let me take a look at the last day or so again, guys. See what's the top performer, right? Gala, look at Gala, guys. What are the top performing in the last 24 hours, right? So Gala, you have Leo, you have that's again those two at 25% for those two, right? Avax is at 17%. Cool, right? ENJ, another metaverse play, right? So 16% as well, right? Teta, 20%, cool, right? So yeah, it's green, guys. If you get green, you get green. We all get green. There you go. There you go. Is that the new Hot Trades NFT? Which one is on the NFTs? Which NFTs? No. The only NFTs we have are the forever funny. Andrew, I'm sorry, Andrew. Anyways, let's take a look at hot trades here. Right, so there you go, guys. So make sure you get your NFTs, right? NFTs, guys. Make sure you get your NFTs on the site, right? So there you go. Make sure you get some NFTs. Otherwise, it's my stuff is lagging. Make sure you get the NFTs, guys, right? So again, they're just on the website, right? hot-trades.com, right? The link in the description, right? So from zero to hero vision. I haven't seen them much since Clinton would yeah, okay. La, la, la. No, otherwise you buy them all, Mono, right? Otherwise Mono's gonna buy them all, guys, right? So yeah, we maybe can these NFTs can come with like option classes or something, right? Like a class, something, right? So I'm sure they're gonna have something, right? So make sure you get your NFTs, right? So there you go. Make sure you get your NFTs. Or you can just go to Hot Trades. You can go to OpenSea and search up HTX tokens, right? And they're gonna show up HTX. There you go. The Boardman NFT. Oh, the Boardman NFT. Oh, Andrew. Yeah, that's just for you. It's an exclusive. Exclusive. You mint one for sure. Yeah. So you can take a look on OpenSea and whatnot, right? So and there you go, guys. So yeah, we broke about $3. We're back below. We're playing with that $3 level for mana. Hopefully, we can hold above that level, right? In terms of Bitcoin, guys, we talked about Bitcoin quite a bit, right? So in terms of, like what we're expecting and hoping for, right? When you take a look at the daily chart, I know some of you guys are saying, okay, well, this is just a bull trap. We're about to crash below and go back to $33,000, right? Some of you guys are saying, okay, this is the pump. We're about to. This is going to be something special. It's way too early to tell, right? We have one green candle above $40,000, right? So for now, see how this weekend plays out, right? If we can find support above $40,000, that's a huge win, right? Huge win. So for now, we give these names a little bit of time, right? So once you start breaking above the 42s, the 43s, the 45s, a lot of these altcoins are really going to start performing, right? Stuff like Shiba is going to start blowing up, right? So when Bitcoin can actually confirm that it's okay, this is actually real, right? This is not a fake pump, right? So yeah. Some again, a little bit of time, guys. Give these names some time over the weekend, right? So really telling in terms of direction. Da-da-da. Bulls make money, bears make money, but Pixar get slaughtered, ja. Yeah. Alrighty, guys. So we're gonna leave it for now. We're gonna call it the night, guys. It's been fun, right? So thank you for being here. Thank you for spending some Friday nighttime with us, right? So don't forget to smash the like again, guys. Right? Hit the like, hit the subscribe if you're new to the channel. Again, if you want to become a member, come join us in Discord. Right? Have a wonderful Friday night. We'll see you guys. I'm sure we'll be back tomorrow, right? Maybe, right, to see what crypto looks like again, right? So maybe a nice overnight pump so we can come back in the morning, right? So, which crypto moves? Yes, that's MTTR. Um, Yeah, again, it's a metaverse play, right? So with like these metaverse names moving here, you want to see that thing move as well, right? So 90s pinch, let's go. So again, follow the link that Mindy shared there with Nightbot, right? So have a good night, guys, right? So Jack, good night. Pastor Scotty, good night. Let's go, Ryan. Ryan, get to Discord. So have a good night, Ryan. Have a good night, Mono. Happy folks. Night, friends. Jack, take care. Musty, good night. Good night. Good night. Good night, Andrew. Um, Good night, Christy. Good night, Beth. Good night, Corey. Have a wonderful night, Corey. I've got Scotty, man. What did Scotty say? I think I missed it. I think I missed. Okay, so Scotty says, as we lay down to sleep, guys, we asked both Doge and Shiba to peak. And something this night before we wake, we hope our bags will grow in weight. Believe in the sheep, and you may find the path to Lambo, guys. Amen. Amen. Believe in Shiba. There you go. Great stream. Let's go. It was fun stream. Fun. Right. So Martin, have a good night. Vision, have a wonderful night. Queen, have a good night. Thanks again for the music. Thanks again. For the music. Oh, the in Discord, yeah. Alrighty, guys. Have a wonderful night as crypto is retracing here now. That's fine, right? So amen, guys. Alrighty, bye guys. Good night.